Hello people, it's a beautiful new day. Okay, so I came up with the strategy that I want to share with you guys. Like I always say, if you follow through my strategies, you're very certain of making some money for yourself in the forex market. Just in case you're thinking about scrolling away from the channel, you would need to think twice, okay, because you are about to miss out on some very important information that will take your trading game to the next level. So guys, just stick around and let's do this video. Now we're going to be adding indicators like the average directional index. So I'm going to be adding it straight to the chart. The average directional index, I'm going to be working with a period of 14. Okay, then I'm adding a level of 25. So please add the level 25 just in case yours is not added automatically. So we're going to click on done. Just in case you're not familiar with it, this is your average directional index. It's a very powerful indicator, guys. Now we're going to be adding one more indicator, which is what we call the Williams percentage range indicator, guys. So I'm going to be adding it to the chart. Now this is my Williams percentage range indicator. So I'm going to be working with a period of 14, levels minus 80, minus 20, and also I'm adding another level, which is the minus 50 to the chart, guys. Very important. Now I'm done. Good. So okay guys, so how does this particular strategy work? Now we are on the Euro USD chart. This is the daily time frame. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to see price above the levels minus 50 on the Williams percentage range indicator. So let's work with this zone. As you can see, the Williams indicator is above minus 50 here. So how would we have taken advantage of that trade? That's what you're going to find out now, guys. Now we'll go straight to, immediately we've achieved that, we'll go straight to the next time frame, which is the H4 time frame. And now we want to see price drop below the minus 50 level on the Williams percentage indicator. So, and as soon as that happens, I move my marker down to that point. Okay, then the next thing I want to see is the entry trigger. Okay, so I'll move straight to the H1 for my entry. I move straight to the H1 for my entry. Good. Now what am I going to simply look out to enter the market, guys? Very simple. This time I'm going to go to my ADX and ensure that there has been a crossover of the green ADX above the red one. As soon as I see that crossover, then I can confidently storm into the trade, guys. I can confidently storm into the trade there. And look at where I'm going to have to place my stop loss. My stop loss will be just below the low here. And then see how much you would have made for yourselves, guys. See how much you would have made for yourself. Like I always say, you can have a target of 1:3 or 1:4 risk to reward ratio. Okay, that means for every $100 you risk, you should look towards making at least $300 in profits in return. Okay, so $300 or $400, that's what you should be looking out for. So if you are risking $10, then you should be looking out to make at least $30 or $40 in this trade. Okay guys, so that's it, guys. Let's look out for a sell opportunity and give our analysis on that. Now for a sell option, what we need to do is, remember what I said, the first thing is to ensure that the market is below the minus 50 range. So look at it now, the market is below the minus 50 range. Now as soon as we've established that on the D1 time frame, mind you guys, I'm using the D1 time frame. It does not mean that that's the only time frame you can make use of, please. Okay, so I'm going straight to the H4 time frame. On the H4 time frame, I'm going to have to wait for the market to go beyond the minus 50 level, and we have that here. We have that here, guys. So the next thing is to go to the H1 time frame, guys, for my entry trigger. So I'm going to go straight to the H1 time frame. Good. Now this is my H1 time frame. Remember what I said. In this case, all I just need to do is to ensure that I look at the ADX and ensure that the red ADX crosses above. Okay, crosses above the green one. And as soon as that happens, that's my entry trigger, guys. Guys, just see, I'm gonna have to place my stop loss just above this high here and then see how far the market went, guys. See how far, see the drop. Guy, you can't beat my strategy. I laugh when I hear people saying things like indicators don't work, this, that, blah, 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 and all of that. Guys, do not listen to whoever is giving you such bull crap. Okay, just simply practice this and you're going to see your trading game change, guys. Okay, so that is it. Now, if you're a first timer on this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time we post the new content on this channel. And also do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new today, guys. And I will see you in the next video.